The National Justice Project has been using legal action, innovative projects and technology and education alongside our advocacy to fearlessly fight systemic discrimination for a whole decade.
The National Justice Project started when there was a real crisis in the treatment of asylum seekers and refugees. The Australian government had transported them to Nauru and Manus Island, where they suffered incredibly difficult conditions. We were being asked on a daily basis to assist refugees and asylum seekers, but what we wanted to do was bring a new way of practicing strategic litigation in Australia.
The momentum after the Kids Off Nauru campaign then led to the Medevac legislation being passed, which legislated the process that we had undertaken through the courts of getting critically ill refugees and asylum seekers the treatment they required.
For me, it's a huge privilege to work with our clients and to be led by them in their fight for justice. And of course to work with our team who are just so brilliant, and over the years to have seen people go on and contribute to social justice through other organisations and other work, that's been really amazing too. In particular, I've worked very closely with Auntie Latona Dungay in response to the tragic death in custody of her son, David Dungay Jr., and to have worked with her so closely over the years through many legal mechanisms and to have seen her continue to push for justice and change, that's been really incredible.
What I love about the National Justice Project is that we are fiercely independent. We do not take government funding, which means we can speak truth to power. We can challenge the systems and we can take cases that are important, really strategic cases, cases that shouldn't be happening in Australia, and we can say to the government, we need to do better.
It has been an absolute privilege to work with so many great lawyers and team members that have come and gone through NJP, and NJP would not be today without all of the past staff and volunteers that we've had assist our clients work on these cases and projects.
We've seen Kids Off Nauru. We've changed the way healthcare is practiced in Australia, in particular for First Nations people with the implementation of cultural safety. Now, we didn't do that alone, but our work at inquests and in demanding change from our governments has really led to a different approach, and that's saving lives.
We are up against a colonial system. We are trying to find justice in a system that's already aimed at blocking people out. And it's a problem that's not going away, but it's a problem that we're going to keep chipping at to bring reform, to bring change both legally and in policies and then in practice.
And to see that what we've achieved in 10 years is enormously uplifting to me. I'm very proud that the organisation has reached 10 years. I'm also proud of the team that we've built who will take this organisation forward for the next 10 years.
So please partner with us for our next decade as together we create a wave of change.